You sure you have a right mounting spot? Right on the oil pan, that's what I suggest. You eating enough dirt down there?
Actually not bad. I think this one's been replaced.
Oh, that one's in way better condition.
I mean, it's still not great.
No, I mean, you got brand new ones. Well, folks, today we are working on C2500 again. We got the old cab mounts and they are toasted. Oh my. So we got some new ones here. It's amazing the quality difference there from that many years. So we are currently getting all of them loose, and then we got to try and use the floor jack to get them separated so we can get up underneath there and put these new ones in. Someday, if we become rich, unlikely, but then we can actually build a pre-runner out of this. If Mr. Gray wants to. You sure you have a right mounting spot? Right on the oil pan, that's what I suggest. Anyway, get some leg action there. Oh baby, got separation? Not quite yet. So we're gonna get in there and get these going. Had to pull the, I don't know, is this your directional light?
Yeah, running
the running and blinker light out, and then down in here, that's the top of the cab mount bolt, so we can bring it up from there and then replace the bushing, the cab mounts. That's gonna make a difference. Dang.
I think the metal's in there on these ones.
Well, you got some brand new
ones. Look how much higher it's gonna be.
Dude, that's gonna be nice. They see me rolling, they hating. Sir, did you put some grease on that?
I didn't. Am I supposed to?
No, I'm just kidding you. I can see you. Excuse me. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Oh, I thought you were going to say something about your wilderness badge.
I mean, my wilderness badge, that was the last video.
Don't know what this does.
I don't know either. Where'd it come from? On top? Or...
Yeah, on top, I think.
You think it's just a locker?
I think it's a spacer. Can you stick the nut in?
The bolt?
Yeah, I mean bolt.
The nut and bolt, the same thing. While Mr. Gray still becomes a mole and digging around like he is, this one literally disintegrated. That's the worst cab mount I think I've seen ever. It's crunchy. Is this spring cleaning at its finest?
I gotta get some of that in my eyes.
Did you breathe it?
Oh yeah.
Did you taste it?
It tastes wonderful.
Does it taste wonderful? Mm-hmm. Get that up in there, bud. Here's your new one.
That one was so bad, it's been moving around so much.
All right.
We got one more up there. That one's pretty rotten too.
You don't say. This thing's gonna ride so smooth now.
I think I need these.
Do you though?
I don't think so.
It's so rotted.
I think
you're good.
those go up in here on these ones.
Oh, I gotcha.
I don't know, we're gonna send it and call it a day. Everything's better than what it was.
Yeah. May I suggest a pressure wash?
I don't have a lip.
Listen.
Does the cab match up with the bed now?
Yeah.
Pretty close.
She's pretty level now, I want to say. Dude, that's definitely more level.
I think the bed might be bent too.
I think the bed is bent, but this is way better than it was. Oh, look at that. That's a good indicator.
So it probably suck it down when I put the bolts in.
Yeah, once you tighten her back down, but... Okay. Well, that was pretty easy, honestly. You don't need lubrication. Zoop zip these things back on and see how she rides. Probably a lot smoother on the road now. So, what are you in for on this truck now? How much money?
Oh, I got like $500 in it.
Total so far?
These were like 125.
For the new mounts?
Yeah.
So 125 for the mounts and then...
Oh, not for everything? I'm under like $800.
800 for everything so
Yeah,
far?
I needed a water pump, serpentine belt, put a new alternator on it. That's about it. Oil change.
Well, the oil you put in was expensive. It's because I talked him into putting some AMS oil in this beast, and he wanted Dominator. So he got some race oil and put it in. It screams. I love it. That thing is protected. Can you stop throwing the old mounts at me, please? After the motor swap, he replaced this because this is the clutch reservoir and it was not actuating. So you got that done. And then, like you said, water pump, new battery, oil change, cab mounts. So he's only into it for like $800. This is pretty sweet. This thing's gonna rip, dude. I mean, it already does. I just love these American racing too with the Toyo Open Countries. It's pretty sweet.
Level.
Yeah. Practically lined up there, guy. It's cab's a little lower, same as the other side, but it's not terrible. He said the big reason why you're doing these new cab mounts is because this was not level, this was lower. But it is like super close now because the starting point was actually, the line was down here because they were disintegrated, so that's huge. Enough for me. Yeah, baby. Dude, this thing is so firm now. Every little vibration now. I mean, it's a good thing because before it was like so bad. Okay, we're gonna do a launch here. That's pretty epic. I love this truck. I'm a Ford boy, and yeah. I don't know how we're still like friends because he's Chevy, I'm Ford, but
yeah, but you call me, come pick you up.
Oh gosh! Hey, kids, put your seatbelt on. But I call you what?
You call me, come pick you up when your truck breaks down.
I do actually call him when my truck breaks down. So the other huge benefit to fixing these cab mounts is there was a lot of body roll as he was turning, and now you don't feel anything. It's nice and stiff again. So it's good to know that he doesn't need to redo the bushings on the suspension at all, or the sway bar. I like it.